Clavon condominium at the Clementi Avenue 1. Update as of October 2022. Located at the center of the Clementi, just beside Nanhua High School and US High School, as well as NUS. Also nearby Clementi swimming complex. Location is very good. So I take the photo and the video of the job site from the neighbor HDB block. It's a very high-rise PPVC project. The site is very neat and tidy, and we can see that the building is keep on raising up. PPVC module is very heavy. Normally it ranges from 10 to 20 tons. So they need a well distribute of the load bearing frame, which you can see in the video. At the cable and the wall, they are using a safety screen to climb up and finishing the grout and the water tightness treatment. Surrounding is still very well protected, and all the trees are still in place. And it even shit until the level 10 or 11. Everything is being prefabricated, pre-finished module system. We can see the glass, balcony, as well as the facade is all completed. So it's a close-up view of the hoisting frame. As a close guys, it have around 20 hoisting points, which can evenly distribute to the PPVC. Continue going up, we can see level 17 after the tree. Dive back to the tower crane. It normally happens every 3 to 5 story. It's a heavy duty tower crane, so that only can able to hoist up such a heavy jungle concrete box. Next view is from the swimming complex site. Developer is UOL-UIC Clavon. In Chinese is 粤文会. All the name is being chosen very classic. Again, all the surrounding is clouded by the trees. Balcony, AC latch, windows. It's a traditional 4-room flat, 3 bedroom, 1 living room. Due to resource leveling, they decided to start one block first, and another one follows suit behind. Yellow color one is a HDB block beside. One thing I need to find out is the cable and the wall. They are doing such a method, safety screen climb up, then later the painting and the plastering. Maybe they need to use gondola or mask climber. We can see the steel member of this crane. All is very huge. Very neat, handy, Lego-like boxes. For me, I like this kind of building concept very much. This is another view from the neighbor HDB block. We can see the from tall as high as 40 story and see the construction progress of the PPVC module system of the condominium tower crane with a dieback. In this stage, they are doing a crane extension, have some kind of the counter width, and the 3 number of the mast is standby to be inserted into the tower crane and make the tower crane taller. Set is very neat and tidy, no have many material stacked everywhere. I must say that the safety standard is very much well upkept. TC3 is doing some podium. I believe over there where we have the car park as well as multi-story car park and the swimming pool, then as well as the landscape deck. It's just beside the busy AYE Ali Raja Expressway. And further out is the condominiums and the landed house. So have a close view of the boom